Hey, hey, hey. How are you guys today? I went on lunch break and, well, you'll see. Anyway, I went to Hobby Lobby and you saw that this is a haul, so you'll see a theme in a minute. Our Hobby Lobby has not always carried the 6x8 page protectors, so I went ahead and grabbed one because I'm doing my 6x8 pregnancy album. But I'm going to go ahead and show that because that's the one thing not in this particular theme. So I walked down the paper aisle, and the first thing I noticed was orange stickers, because I mean, when you go to Hobby Lobby, you know the orange stickers are something you gotta look at. Anyway, 62 cents and 74. So I went ahead and grabbed them because they're gold, and I thought that's, you know, pretty neutral. I can always use them. And they had more than one, but I did great. I only got one of each. Excuse me. Now, the rest is history. Okay? Then I proceeded on down the aisle and found more. And this is not, I didn't even get nearly the amount that was on sale. I just got what I thought I'd actually use, which I don't need. By any means do I need any paper, but here we are for $2.24. I got this obviously because I'm pregnant, and I thought it had some cute, just some cute little designs and whatnot. And it is kind of textured. Oh gracious. Oh, I like this gray one I put my hand on. Look at that, cute as a button. That's too adorable. Look at the little giraffe. Anyway, so I got this for Serenity. I don't know if I've told you guys her name yet, but it's Serenity because I am having a girl. So look at that cutie pie. How could you not? But I don't know. Yeah, you can tell a little bit there. Just a tiny bit of texture. Oh my, look at those hearts. Anyway, okay. $2.24, and then I got this one, which I don't know. I don't need to open all of them, I don't imagine. This one says that it's adhesive, which, if I'm thinking correctly, there's adhesive on the back of them, which I thought is great for die cutting. So I probably should have got more than one of these, but I did only get one. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, there's a few of them in here I probably won't use, but the ones I did outweighed the ones I wouldn't. So this one is also has adhesive on it, and it's called Chevron 2. Oh, look at that one. That's super cute. Love that gray. Anywho, Chevron 2. But wait, there's more. I kept going. And they had this, yeah, these are both my mind's eye. This one is Golden Days. So these have foil. Oopsie. Oh, they're double-sided. I should have caught that with the, anyway. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, look at the wood grain. Oh, look at those arrows. Anyway, I thought this would be great for Serenity too, because pink and gold you can't go wrong with. What is that one? Fancy that. Something chick. I'm not even going to try and say that. Oh, look at the little cut-up parts. Yeah, so I think the pineapples are what drew me to this one. So yeah, that's that. And then this Beautimus Golden Days. I love that there's some that are super duper tiny in here. Like the little deers. And then, I was telling myself the whole time, I was like, no, 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 you don't, just get the little ones. So if you notice, these are all small. And I think I restrained quite well on this one. I only got one 12 by 12 paper pad. Now, there was plenty of them on sale. But the one that caught my eye here is because I don't do a whole lot of mixed media, i.e. watercolors. And this has like little watercolor colors in it. And it was only $3.74. But I mean, it looks like, you know, this is so pretty. Look at that. Be happy. That'd be cute just framed. But yeah, I don't do watercolors. I don't feel like I'll ever get into them. But I thought this way at least I could enjoy some. And all the rainbows of the color of the rainbows. So that, ma'am, and possibly sir, is literally all I got from Hobby Lobby. Was a crap ton of paper. Pardon my language. But I spent $20 minus this, so all of this paper was, say, $17 and some change. Because this would have been $2.50, almost $3. My page protectors. So $17 for one 12 by 12, which that alone, even with a coupon, would have been $7. These adhesive ones are $8.99. So even with a coupon, you know, we're looking at, I don't know, you know, quite a bit of money. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys, because I know you guys will understand sometimes the struggle is real and you can't deny the orange sticker. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and to all my mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, and I'll holla at you later. Bye.